it's a show about story and how to pull your story into your space.
You've been improving our homes seriously for so long, and every time you guys come on, it's so much fun, and you make things so easy. You have the show's premiering tonight on HGTV at 9 p.m., right? And it's the Nate and Jeremiah Home Project. What makes this show, other than the obvious that you could get from the title, but what kind of content are you putting into this?
So we thought a lot about this because the show is really a love story. It's about our love story as a family, and then it's about the love story that the homeowners that we meet and get to be in a very intimate relationship with very quickly. We get to know them through their things. We get to know them through their dreams. And we're able to sort of connect all the dots for them in that hour of TV. And it changes every week. So it's something that is very special to both of us. It's something that we took a lot of time crafting. And we're really excited for everybody to see it tonight.
I think the best way to articulate it is that it is a design show about design and about the idea and centered around the idea of living with things that matter to you and things that mean something to you. It's a show about story and how to pull your story into your space, not just about how to flip your house in 2 seconds, but to how to really put roots somewhere and craft your home.
So I know you guys are going to share a couple quick tips with us.
We were talking about the introduction of material and the idea that you can add things like Grasscloth, really simple to either, whether it's inside of cabinetry or panel front. We're huge.
Or even like the back of a bookshelf. There you go.
Oh, that's cool.
And we're really big fans of kind of this new wallpaper that you can kind of just peel and stick, because I think for renting, or if you want to change things seasonally, if you want to change things periodically throughout the year, it's a really easy way to kind of stay connected and have fun.
I love that Grasscloth. Our apartment in New York has Grasscloth wallpaper, but that was stick-on. What you just showed us, that was like a stick-on.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Like a peel and stick. It's great.
It's really great.
It's really affordable. It's great if you're renting, or like I said, if you have pieces of furniture that you want to add some personality to, and it's pretty user-friendly. If we can do it, anybody can do it.
I also know that from knowing you guys. You like low maintenance.
Yeah.
It looks very cool when you're done. You like low maintenance. I'm so excited for you and your family, and that you're opening this show to so many people by showing them other people's families and their life stories too. I wish you nothing but continued beautiful success. The Nate and Jeremiah Home Project premieres tonight, 9 p.m. on HGTV.
I mean, you can't take your old stuff into your new life. You can take some stuff, right?
I've been trying to tell you that for years.
We're Nate and Jeremiah.
Now you negotiate. I'll meet you outside.
Interior designers and married dads.
Yar! What does the mantra say? Yar! We design and renovate people's new homes. Bada bing, bada boom. But first, we do a massive edit of their old belongings.
That's unbelievably cool, you guys.
This is it. It's going.
We help figure out what matters, because filling a home with things that have meaning is the most important part.